Hello, I'm Brett Neuendorf, Landscape Market Manager at Vermeer Corporation. And today, I'd like to show you how to operate the controls on the lineup of Vermeer mini skid steers. I'm on our S925 TX mini skid steer. Many Vermeer mini skid steers have the same control layout as this, so note any differences on your machine versus this S925 TX. Starting on our left-hand side, we have a pilot-operated ground drive control that allows for variable transport speed in both forward and reverse. Pushing forward on the stick, of course, is your forward transport, while pulling back on the stick is reverse. You have counter steering capabilities to the right and to the left, as well as variable turning radius depending on which direction you push the stick. On the right-hand side of our control station, we have a green-handled dual-axis joystick for the loader arm controls. Pulling back on this green control will raise the loader arms, whereas pushing forward on the stick will lower the loader arms. Pushing all the way forward into a detent position with this green handle will put the loader arms into a float position. The dual-axis joystick can also be turned to the right to tilt the attachment plate down, whereas pulling it to the left will curl the attachment plate, depending on need and application. We also have on this machine two hydraulic flow controls that are labeled yellow. In the center, we have our standard or high flow control that can be detented in the forward or the reverse position. This is useful for attachments such as a trencher or an auger, where you have a need for a higher flow. Off of your right hand, there is a lower flow control valve that has a return to center. This is useful for attachments such as a grapple or a 4-in-1 bucket, anything that has a cylinder. Off the far right side, you'll find a variable throttle control. At the rear of the control panel, there is indicator lights or a display for any warnings from the engine or from the machine. Thanks for watching this video on how to operate a Vermeer mini skid steer.